Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We just took our 110th win over here, and that was on AVAX. I've been telling you guys AVAX, Mana, as well as Matic are probably going to be our next wins. So we took a 7.21% gain on AVAX, and then we had a stop loss that gained a little bit more on that as well. So that was pretty cool, about 2.83%. And guys, I just sent a Telegram message out to you guys. For all of you in the Telegram, I am now entering back into AVAX officially with the new buy limits that are going to be posted on our website at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Here's the link, guys. So there we go. We just won a trade. I'm entering back into a trade. I hope you guys have your membership because we're going to start making more money now. So I want to give you guys an update on that. That's super awesome. We never lost a trade. So now 110 wins and 0 losses. Let's go over Dogecoin today. I want to talk to you guys about this. I think the projections of Dogecoin could get pretty ridiculous here. I have two specific percentages, 25% and around 50-60%. We'll talk about why that's a little bit discrepancy there, of where I think this could head. Guys, we are seeing one of the most bullish chart patterns play out for us right now on Dogecoin. Oh my gosh, those of you absolute loyal followers to Dogecoin have been probably holding Dogecoin since back here. Like, we got in back here, and our break even is here, and we obviously have more buy limits here we could hit before we move back up. But you guys have been so loyal. I know you have, because I'm going to show you guys the market cap over here as well as the long and short trades of how that's been, just dropping out, but you guys are still loyal. So we'll go over that. Let's dive in. The overall trend dashboard this morning, what am I looking at as far as retail traders? Well, the RSI, the MACD, and the 50 are bullish, and then we've got bearish on stochastic 100 and 200. Okay, kind of just an interesting mixture of feelings here that I'm looking at for retail traders as far as indicators go. So I'm looking at this. I'd rather see them all green, telling me that we're going to look to sell, or all red, looking we're going to look to buy. But at this morning, it's kind of just teeter-tottering back and forth of opinions on that. I want to take a look at this right now. Let's take a look at the price for swell money flow and the trend exhaustion. Guys, these are the indicators we're using to basically call drops before they happen and pumps before they happen. So what are the indicators showing us? Let's dive in here a little bit, make this chart a little bit bigger so we can see this. Okay, what I'm seeing right now is we're obviously in this top red section here for the trend exhaustion. Well money flow is actually up here, and it's already moving out of the market while price action is moving up. This is a sign of divergence, okay? This is where people are going to be looking to take some short trades out or probably sell because they think it's going to move back down. It's not an unsmart thing to do. This resistance, this descending resistance, is extremely strong, guys. But, however, listen to this. If you start seeing trend exhaustion up here in the top section and well money flow high, what do you guys know? That means the price usually starts moving back down. We saw the trend exhaustion up here. We saw the well money flow high up here. We ended up seeing the drop back down in the market, all right? The previous time before that, trend exhaustion was high, well money flow was high. We saw this drop back down. And then you're seeing this over here, these accumulation of these 2 points, as well as well money flow high, guys, that ended up dropping the market. Okay, so on and so forth. I can show you guys how many times. It is ridiculous how accurate these indicators are. And I was just talking to another individual yesterday. They're like, Travis, literally I was on a Zoom with them, and they're like, Travis, we use your indicators to scalp the market and we're doing really well. I'm like, that's awesome, guys. Those of you who are scalping with us, and I've been talking about this more, and I'll have a masterclass come out. I think I'm actually going to release it tomorrow, a scalping masterclass. Those of you guys who are getting into entries with our indicators like trend exhaustion, wait for it to get into the bottom red section and well money flow to get low. Those of you guys who are taking long trades, you're doing so well. So anybody who took this trade over here with a scalping position, and guys, I recommend you guys look to take 3 to 4%. Guys, you're up like 23%. Anybody who took any entry here and exited, you guys did fantastic, and you rinse and repeat, you're taking the next trade, okay? So a lot of people are like, Travis, this is awesome, you have good risk management, and we're waiting to get back in the profit, but how can I make profit in the meantime until I get back up here? Guys, scalp the market. Literally, watch the masterclass I have coming out tomorrow on our website. You guys get access to it. I have people already trading like that, but I'm coming out and showing you guys how you can use the metrics and the indicators to scalp and do some pretty ridiculous gains. So these indicators you're going to need for that, just giving you a heads up, you need the price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion and the metrics here. You guys are going to love it. Wait for tomorrow when that comes out. Okay, back to Dogecoin. All right, take a look at this. The next place I think we're going to head back up, we need to actually come over here and pull a fib retracement. Let's come up here. Let's take the high and let's take the low. So we're going to go to fib retracement. We're going to take the low. We're going to take the high. I know this is weird for some of you guys, but we're looking at a 50% retracement. That places us right up here at 22. That also places us up here at this structure resistance and very close to this resistance. Okay, now that we see that, I think a 50% retracement is possible on this next bull run, but I do at the same time think that's a little aggressive, okay? I'm not going to turn this channel into clickbait. Oh, it's going to jump 120%. No, the most realistic place for us to head next, guys, is structure high at 17 cents, which is a 26%, 25% pump. Okay, from here, the next most realistic spot that we could actually move up here is that 50% retracement, in my opinion, and that's going to put us right around here about 60% at this structure high. So the next place I really believe we're going to target is going to be around this area of about 17 cents, which is going to be about a 26% pump in Dogecoin. All right, if it goes down from there, then we're just looking at structure low points again, and you guys will be able to get more money in the market if we hit buy limits. Let's take a look at the metrics now so you guys can see this. Real quick, guys, let me show you how to access this so you guys know this. The pricing, guys, is so simple. It's just $95 a month. Very cheap, guys. This is worth hundreds more per month. You guys are going to get access to the Telegram channel where I'm calling all the exits, and as well as you guys saw, the entries that I'm taking. All the masterclass videos you guys get access to, as well as we're doing a live Inner Circle coaching call every single month. This next month coming up, March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m. We're all getting on Zoom. We're going over the markets, open Q&A session. Such a fun time we're going to have. So make sure you guys snag that today. That's in the description. Let's go to menu. Let's go to crypto charts, and let's scroll down here, and let's go to Dogecoin, and let's take a look at this. All right, guys, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics update on the website. That's in 30 minutes. Let's take a look at this. We have been pushing into the anxious, and we didn't get to fearful, but we got pretty close to fearful here in Dogecoin, and now we're moving back up here. This basically is telling me that the market is just kind of neutral right now. We're waiting. Everyone is waiting to see if we're going to break out or if we're going to move back down. Let's see if we can get some more evidence of which way is actually going to happen. What we're seeing over here is short trades are holding steady, and actually long trades are actually just increasing a tad bit, just a very, very tad bit if you can see this over here. I know it's very small, but it's increasing just a tad bit. This over here tells me that there's more people actually looking in the market to short. Okay, I don't want to just come out here and be like, guys, we're just going to pump up. We're going to pump up. Yeah, that's an actual realistic prediction and an honest prediction. But right now, short trades have been increasing more than long trades. If you guys can simply just see the curve over here of short trades increasing. I believe that's happening for people to look to short Dogecoin back down on the descending resistance. And we also have well money flow high, so that's not an unrealistic expectation, guys, to see Dogecoin see another move back down here. Okay, let's continue. Let's give ourselves more data. The market cap of Dogecoin has been completely dropping out. You guys understand that when market cap, the green line, moves out, that means it has to move into other coins. Where is the money going? I'll tell you guys, it's going into Bitcoin, and it's going into the stable coins. Bitcoin's actually seen an uptick in the market cap, while coins like Dogecoin and Cardano are actually seeing money move out of those coins. So here's how I interpret this. I think these coins like Dogecoin and ADA, they're off people's radar. This is the best time to buy. Guys, this pattern is the most bullish pattern I can find. You want to know what the second most bullish pattern that I've ever seen? I've traded for over 4,000 hours. Reverse head and shoulders. Guess what, guys? We've got a reverse head and shoulders pattern right here, and we've got a descending resistance, descending triangle. You guys pick the technical name you want. Both of the most powerful technical analysis patterns are present on the chart right now. This is why I think the crypto market could just absolutely take off here. And if Bitcoin can keep going up, I know Bitcoin, real quick, this is going to play into Dogecoin, so let's take a look at this. Bitcoin is at a very strong resistance right now. This is an ascending resistance, so I wouldn't doubt if we get, sorry, that was a terrible line. We get a little bit of a move back down, basically a break and a retest of this descending support now, and then we could see it move back up. I do think Bitcoin's due for a move back down, so that's why I think in the short term, with this data that we're looking at here, Dogecoin is most likely going to get a little bit of a move down here, and then we're going to see the pump back up of the break of this, and that could get very bullish. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup for Dogecoin before you leave this video, so you guys can take a trade and make some money, all right? Trades in favor, sitting in the neutral section. You know, we were pushed down here into a good long trade. That's for all of you guys who took that trade here. You know, I don't want to come out here and be like, oh, it's a great time to take a long trade right now. Honestly, guys, if you had our metrics, the best time to take it was over here. It said great long trade and good long trade. That was in these areas as well as when the trend exhaustion was low. So everybody who followed the metrics over here into a good long trade, the trend exhaustion was low, well money flow was low. You guys are all in about 22% profit right now. Okay? It's pretty awesome. All right. Well, institutional smart money. What are they doing? Well, we've seen nothing but the acquisition of long trades through this whole movement down here. This is telling us they are buying the dip and the demand of a lower price. When the price went up here, shorts came out, they dropped the price. When the price went down here, longs came out, the price went back up. When the price went up here, shorts came out, they dropped the price back down. Guys, this is like clockwork. If you are simply watching these metrics over here, they are going to make you a better trader. I know this because we've never lost a single trade, and we are now 110 for 110 wins. I was hoping we would hit it before the end of February, but we didn't. Who cares? That's totally fine. But we're 110 for 110. This tells us this is bullish, and I am still bullish on Dogecoin. Look at my own account over here. I'll be transparent with you guys of what we're looking at. Take a look at this. We're coming over here. Let's go to the portfolio, show you guys exactly where I'm at. Everything's transparent. We're at 135,000, almost 136,000, and 150,000 is break even. Dogecoin is my number 3 holding. Guys are like, what are you doing? This guy, like, we've won every single trade, the highest win rate you guys can find on YouTube, and Dogecoin. Yes, I still believe in Dogecoin. I'm not giving up on Dogecoin, EOS, and Cardano. Those are my top 3 holdings right now, and I believe these are strong coins to hold in the 2022. If we get to the predictions that some people are predicting of structure high, again, at these coins, the all-time high, we are going to do tens of thousands of dollars. Like, it's going to be ridiculous how much money we make, as well as you guys. So I think you should be getting some money in the market right now before this explosion could happen with this descending resistance and this just incredible blow up that we could have here. Again, this resistance I'm looking for around this 15, 16 cents, and 17 is obviously up here. I think this area over here of 17 cents is the next target. So that's what I'm looking for. And if you guys remember, it's looking at about a 25% increase from where we're at here. So 25% increase right about there. 25, 26, 28, very close. We're adjusting a little bit on the price here at this moment. So let me just bring this down here. Now it's looking about 31. Structure high. That's simply what we want to be looking at. Okay, I'll leave it on the chart so we can see where it fluctuates here. All right, 2 more metrics. Let's get you guys into a trade. Dollar cost average entries. Guys, we're waiting for another green line to come out here. I think we're just waiting to see if this comes back just one more time. We'll get a green one. Guys, we're pretty low here. If you guys want to put more money in, that's totally fine. This is just something that can automate this for you guys to give you great entries into the market as we're low. I do think we have a potential, yes, to head back down to about 10 cents. Absolutely. If shorts take over, the correction in Bitcoin happens. If the correction in the S&P 500 happens, which honestly, guys, the correction in the VUG, which tracks, in my opinion, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, guys, this thing is getting to a spot where it's looking like it's going to drop. See that? All these drop points on this descending resistance here are where we've seen a drop. I'm expecting a drop in the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. If that happens, we're going to see a drop in crypto, which I do believe that will relate to Dogecoin. So on this video, let me be honest with you guys. I do think we are going to get a drop before we see this nice move up here to 30%. It's just clear with the metrics and the indicators. Exit points, guys, once we do get back up here and we start breaking this descending resistance, I'm looking for that exit point to come out and then drop us back down. Okay, get into this trade setup this morning, guys, if you want to make some money on this trade. I will keep it private for our members, but let me show you how to do this. Come over to the menu bar, go to crypto charts, and let's go to Bitcoin, and let's scroll all the way down to the bottom. This is the same thing on every one of our trades, guys. AVAX, here, by the way, here's what you guys are going to do for AVAX. Go to the menu bar, go to crypto charts, scroll all the way down to the bottom to Avalanche, click on Avalanche, and then go all the way down to the bottom here, guys. And here, right there, I want to keep it private for everyone here. This is where you guys are going to access all the buy limits that I have set up here that I'm going to be entering in for this morning for Avalanche, so you guys can all join me, okay? That's probably going to be our 111th or maybe 112th win. Let me show you guys how to trade this. What you're going to do is simply just take the amount that you guys want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. 250. Can't get any more easy, all right? Place 250 at each of the buy limits below. Obviously, I'm using 250 as an example. If it's $4,000, that would be $1,000, okay? $4,000 example, it's 250. Place 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here. Very simple, guys. Once the first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. So once that first buy limit is hit, just set up a sell limit at the green up here. For Bitcoin, we're sitting at about, I think it's, let me get this a little bit bigger so we can see this. I don't want to say something that's wrong. We are sitting right at 44,772, and these will update this morning. So don't use these. Use the ones that are going to update because they'll just give you guys better entries and you'll make more money, actually. So once you guys have those buy limits set up, follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits for all of our trades with the indicators. And you guys are also going to see exactly when I enter back in. And I will also do a post tomorrow, guys, when I release that masterclass on scalping, and I'll release that in the Telegram channel so you guys can watch that as soon as it comes out. So you guys can literally start making money with our indicators. Okay, make sure you guys... let me just transition into this because I want to talk about it anyways. Make sure you guys have the indicators. The Scalping Master, the class that's going to come out, guys, you're going to get jacked. I know you are, because the profits that I show in there that are honestly realistic are insane that you guys can do. And the amount of confirmation that you're going to be able to get with our indicators and the metrics, a lot of people are going to start scalping. I just know this. If you guys have been the OGs, the original gangsters for this channel, you guys are going to love that video. And we're going to get more emails about it, and I understand that, and it is going to probably make you guys some more money. Just so you guys know, I am going to stick to using the 4 buy limit strategy on the website because it is honestly the safest way to grow your account. Plus, a lot of our trades right now, we're waiting to get back into the profit. So once I'm in the profit, I may reassess that. But we already have traders scalping based off those principles, and you guys want to watch that. Okay, to get those scalping videos and watch all that, you need the price for swell, money flow, trend exhaustion. Get these 3 indicators right now. If you get these 3, use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. You're going to get 40% off. Great, awesome. Get the bundle pack instead. Just being honest, guys, if this was 50% off, I would say get these because it would actually be a better deal to get these 3. This is 82% off right now. Get the bundle pack, guys. Come on, this is a no-brainer. I just want to point this out there, guys. We are not going to keep it this low for this long. Okay, this price will go up. We know this is ridiculously cheap. I'm keeping it cheap because I know everyone's in the bear market, and I'm honestly just trying to be nice to everyone. I'm not going to charge you guys more money when we're in a bear market. Let's all sympathize together. Let's make money, but let's discount some stuff while things aren't a bear market, because I know not a lot of people have money. So anyways, that's just my heart behind that, just to be honest with you guys. So make sure you guys have the bundle pack. You're going to actually get all 9 of our indicators instead of the 3 that you need, and it's basically the same price. You guys get these indicators for life. Not a monthly purchase. It's a one-time purchase. You also get the source codes to put on TradingView, so nobody can ever take these away from you guys. I can't revoke access once you guys have this, because you literally have the source code. That's why people love our indicators over here, because they're like, Travis, if God forbid, Jesus takes you home or you go out of business or something crazy, guys, obviously there's no plans of any of that. If I go to heaven and the business doesn't work anymore, you guys still get the indicators because I give you the source code. That's why we have literally probably the highest selling indicator bundle pack ever, because we just give you guys everything. It's just part of the transparency we have as a business, and I love doing that and keeping things cheap for you guys. So snag that in the description. But guys, biggest thing to do today, make sure you guys are signed up on our membership, $95 a month. You guys made all that money back in probably 4 or 5 months worth just from that AVAX trade if you guys are joining me, depending on how much you guys actually had in that trade. But great job, guys. I think I would say around here about 26% is what we're going to be targeting for this next move. And then after that, guys, it really is a push up here, the next resistance. It's just simply up here at 60%. So these are the most realistic spots I can see. So you guys are like, okay, ending the video, I've got money in Dogecoin. What do? Hold Dogecoin. And if you guys are like, okay, now what do I do after I hold it? I would enter into the literal Dogecoin trade that I have for you guys over here underneath the crypto charts and scroll down to Dogecoin and get money into this trade that you guys see down here at the bottom. That is going to give you guys extremely good risk management, as well as it's going to give you guys an incredible opportunity to make money. Guys, I'm not going to exit Dogecoin until I'm back in the profit above 23 cents. So those of you guys who want to get in right now at this price and you exit with me, which I'm going to exit at structure high over here, just so you guys know, you're going to do about 100% profit on this. And all you have to do, set up your trade here, follow me in Telegram when I exit the Dogecoin trade. That's all you have to do, and just have patience, and you'll do about 100%. Guys, this is kind of like a no-brainer over here. Okay, guys, I'll wrap it up there. God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. I love working with you guys. I love this strategy. We're doing so well in our accounts, and if you guys have any questions, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, betradeconfident@gmail.com. Snag that bundle pack, guys. I'll release the scalping video tomorrow, and then make sure you guys have the membership so you guys get access to the scalping video, as well as all the metrics, the inner circle, the master classes, Telegram access, everything. This is the best $95 you guys will ever spend. You guys want to know why I didn't make it $100? I actually thought about this. I didn't make it $100 because the other $5, you guys should go buy yourself a coffee, set up all of our metrics, set up the indicators and all that once you guys purchase those, and then just Buy yourself a coffee at a coffee shop and set everything up. It's like, guys, let's make room for fun in our lives. An extra $5, okay? So that's why I didn't honestly make it $100, because I thought it'd be fun for you guys to go treat yourself to like a lunch or something, or buy yourself a coffee and go over our metrics and get acquainted with all of them, because I just thought that would be fun. All right, guys, that's it. I love you guys. See you in the next video. I think we're going to get bullish on Dogecoin. Everything you need is in the description, and let's go see if we can get 120 for 120 wins in the month of March. I love you guys. We'll see you later. Bye.